Okay, I'm going to renew headlights in a very short order using a rubbing compound. So I know a lot of places they sell a renew finish, a couple $100. So you're sanding it down and doing all kinds of work to it. But if you put a little of this McGuire's on here, you don't even need a buffing machine or anything. Just get busy, small circular motions, just rubbing it in. It's taking a little bit of the surface off and cleaning it at the same time and waxing it at the end. So the way this stuff works is it starts off cutting pretty good, like taking a fair bit off, but then as it goes along, it kind of breaks down and gets to finer and finer particles and leaves a pretty good finish. So I've done this before. I did it on another vehicle. I'm kind of keeping an eye on it. I'm now like 2 years after doing it, and it still looks really good. So it lasts as well. I know some people are spraying it with varnish or something, or a lacquer at the end to try to make it last longer, but this seems to last pretty good. Just rub that in. I'm just gonna get a cleaner cloth and wipe it off. I suppose you could do it a second time if you wanted, but for the time it takes, don't need a machine. Just basically put it on, buff it off, and in a matter of a couple of minutes, it's 90% improvement. And that's what she looks like when she's done, just that fast. 2 minutes.